Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Ice cream is a classic summer treat and there's no need for a fancy ice cream maker. With a plastic baggie in 15 minutes, you'll have homemade ice cream in no time. The only 5 ingredients you'll need are 1 cup half and half, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, 3.5 cups ice, and 1/3 cup salt. Begin by combining the half and half, sugar, and vanilla in a small plastic bag. I'm using a cup to make things easier. Push out any excess air and seal. Combine the ice and salt in a larger plastic bag. Place the smaller bag inside the bigger one and shake like crazy for 5 to 10 minutes until the ice cream has hardened. Take out the bag and serve the ice cream with your favorite toppings. Sprinkles, chocolate syrup, whipped cream, whatever you like. Mine made about 2 or 3 scoops. I'm not even joking, this is some of the best vanilla ice cream I've ever had. It was so creamy, yet not overly sweet. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, comment your favorite ice cream flavor. Mine's a tie between chocolate and cookies and cream. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!